Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So another quick video today. So I'm fishing at the glebe. I'm doing a couple of videos today on the same peg. I've already done a video today of fishing an open-ended feeder. If that video hasn't come out, it will do very soon, so keep an eye on that. But this video now is all about fishing with ground bait and 8mm pellets, and that is what I want to do. Just really simple on the pole. I want to be able to test my pole out a little bit more. As you guys know, I've had a few issues with it, but I want to be able to get out there and just catch a few carp short and just see how it performs. But like I say, I've got 8mm pellets for the hook, and that's going to go in with feed and with some ground bait. And that's really how simple it is. So let me just very quickly, before we go out, I want to show you the rig. So in terms of the elastic, I've got a really nice soft elastic on. It's a 12 elastic. I've got loads of open water. I don't need any more than that. In terms of the main line, I've got a 0.19mm diameter main line. I've got a 4x14 float on. I have got 5 foot of water. Now 4x16 might be slightly better, but I've got a 4x14. I think it'd be absolutely fine. Normal back shot above that, all the way down to a tapered shotting pattern. Then I've got a 0.16mm diameter hook length, size 16 hook with a band on. Dead simple. I mean, hopefully we're going to catch a few fish. So I'm going to put some ground bait in now and some 8mm pellets, fish over the top and see how we get on. Carry on watching and hopefully we'll catch a few fish. Okay, so I'm going to put in some 8mm pellets, a few micros and some ground bait. Now, the micros are there really just to keep some carp grubbing around. So I'm fishing top kit plus 3 sections. I've got an extra section on as well, in case I need it. If I hook into a carp and need to push out. So, got an 8mm pellet on the band. I've got literally almost bang on 5 foot of water. Just going to flick that out, let that drop back in. It's going to hold the float up and fish over the top. So let that settle. Just going to hold that back up again. A little bit of a slope I have got. There we go, happy with that. So like I say, I've got a bit of a slope, and I don't want to go out too far, otherwise I'm going to be, I'm just fishing nice and gradually on that slope. Otherwise I'll be too shallow if I push out too far. This wind was not supposed to pick up today, and it certainly wasn't supposed to rain, according to the weather report this morning. So just typical. I seem to be going out in bad weather these days. There we go, fish on. Oh, skimmer on an 8mm pellet and a flying skimmer. Yeah, proper ready for spawning these. Nailed it. There we go. So, started off with a skimmer. That's not the actual target. Target is carp today. But put another 8mm on. Okay, back out again. So this wind picking up, not ideal, but hopefully might drop off in a bit. So we're definitely got some fish in the swim. Fishing with 8mm pellets, just putting in some ground bait with some 8mm. Right at the beginning I did put some 2mm on, and there we go, another bite. Little dink of the float that. So he's not, he's behaving at the moment. Not shooting right out, which hate it when that happens, but he's swimming straight through my swim. Great. See if we can get down to that top kit. He's swum towards me a little bit. There we go. I think we've got him under control. See if we can get this one in without losing this one. Yeah, wind's picking up. Keep an eye on this pole. Decent fish, look at that, look at that. Nice carp. Oh, and we got him. That has got to be 10 pound, guys. Nice fish. Let's just pop the pole down nice and safely out of the way. Let's get the hook out. Hey guys, hopefully you're enjoying these free videos. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please do go and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. It's free and it's easy and it only takes about 2 seconds. It's a massive help, more than you know. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like, give it a thumbs up, and at the end of the video, if you can spare 30 seconds, please do go and leave a comment. Just let me know what you like about the video. Let me know what techniques you use. But thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the main video. Hooked in the corner. Oh, it's come out nicely, that. Look at that, proper unit. So I'm going to feed a bit heavier with the 8mm. Probably got about 15 or so in there. A few more than normal. I'm going to pop those in nice and gently. Like I say, I don't want to make too much noise. Don't want to be bringing carp up in the water if I can help it. So back out again. I mean, it's great fishing, just fishing this distance. Yeah, it's not difficult. On the right day when the fish are feeding, nice and simple. There we go, another indication. Got a lift bite. Wait for that to go under. There we go. I think it's either a decent skimmer or it's a small carp. Nice light elastic on today, nothing too heavy. Give them plenty to take out. Another nice fish. There we go. Got his head up. Another carp in the net. That was lucky, the hook come out as soon as I landed it. Just put that down. Nice fish, this one. Show you guys. Look at that. Nice fish. Give myself probably what, 5-6 pound. Okay, so put some 8mm in the pot. I've probably got, like I say, it's about 10 or 12 8mm. I've got the small pot on, loaded with ground bait. Find that far back marker, pop that in, let that drop out. And then we're going to fish over the top. Okay, so we've got an 8mm on, ship out and fish over the top. Just gonna flick that rig out. Ooh, float went under then. Only a little bit, sort of went down, back up again really quick. Float's gone under, there we go, fish on. So that's a carp. So I'm getting bites just like a skimmer. Lift bites, little dinks up and down for the last, what, probably minute. And then just got the positive bite. Really, really strange. So let's get down to the top kit, see if we can bring this one in. Another carp. Not a big fish this time, not as big as some of those others I've had, but he's a proper scrapper, that's for sure. There we go. Another decent fish though. I'm going to give myself probably 4.5, 5 pound. Hooked in the top lip. Let's see if we can get another fish to end the day. Fishing with 8mm, and we've had a few skimmers, some good skimmers, a few carp, and we've lost a couple of carp as well. So not a bad little session. There you go, fish on. Looks like another carp. So we've had a good little session today, fishing with 8mm and ground bait, and we've had a few skimmers to start off with, had a few carp, and we've hooked a few, lost a couple as well. Where's he gone? Thought he was gone under the platform then. Come here. Where are you going? Thought he was going to come in really easy then. Sort of came swimming towards me. Now it's shot off down to the other peg. Come here. See if I can bring him back. Can't believe that. Proper woke up this one. Where's he going? Oh my God. So I thought we was going to be able to net him really quick then how he came in, but he decided to shoot off. Got a decent fish here, I think. So if we can get this one in, guys, I think we'll end it on this one. Where's he gone? He's gone. There he is, down here. See if we can get this one in. It's under my feet. What is he doing? This light elastic, probably a bit too light for this one. There we go, let's get this one in. There we go, got him in. Whew. That one put up a bit of a fight. So guys, I think we'll end it on this one. Absolute beast of a fish. Get the hook out. Let me hold this one up, guys, because this is a nice way to end the video. Pop the top kit out of the way. It's got to be another double figure carp. Look at that. Unit, absolute unit. Let's get him back in. I think we'll end the day there, guys. There you go, off he goes. So Just fishing with ground bait and some 8mm pellets. That's all it was, really simple. Fishing out a top kit plus 3 sections, not too far out, and just really easy fishing. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I've had a great little session. I've only fished for about an hour and a half. I've had plenty of skimmers and I've had plenty of carp. I lost a couple as well. Caught a couple of proper units as well, as you could see. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. It's a massive help, more than you know. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like, and spare 5 seconds, please do leave a comment. Just let me know how your fishing is going. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed it. Tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.